Hello everyone. Thank you for joining us and sharing your inspiring speeches in our competition. We're so thrilled to have determined such talent and dedication. Keep practicing and challenging yourself to grow even further. We wish you all the best in your journey ahead and keep up the great work.
So, good morning, honorable and respected judges. Now I would like to give you all my speech about the power of friendship. So, the power of friendship comes from the word friendship. After all, friendship is the base of the power of friendship. But what is friendship? If you were to ask me about it, I would just say that it's a close relationship between one individual or more. But if you ask me on a deeper level, I'd say that friendship is the most essential things in our lives. A rooted bond where you feel connected, loved, and comfortable with a certain someone. To know that you can be yourself without feeling judged. Whenever I think of my friends, I think that they're my colors, and without them, my world would just be a black and white background. Although the term the power of friendship are usually implied in books or movies and are often overlooked in real life, I think that it can definitely impact us too. Simple examples. Friendship can be your emotional support. They can give you advices and opinions, and they can help with problem solving by giving you a fresh perspective or maybe even a solution that you hadn't thought of before. In our teen age, we lean on the power of friendship as a pillar of our life because sometimes teenagers tend to spend more time with their friends more than with their families because friends are more than just about supporting each other. It's about shared memories. Now, I'm not saying that you cannot share your memories with your families. I'm saying that whenever you spend your time with your friends, there's a part of you that you can't really show with your families. And these are the ones that make power of friendship more memorable. Even if it's just enjoying each other's company without saying anything. Because you don't need to talk to your friends to realize that they love you. Their heart, their eyes, and their actions says it all. And in terms of actions, you don't need to ask your friends, oh, can you please stop doing that? That's making me sad. Whenever your friends feel or realize that they did something wrong with you, they would immediately stop and apologize right there and then. Because they see and they understand it. A true empathy connection. Of course, the power of friendship can sometimes have a bad impact when we're relying on our friends too much. But of course, the solution can make us become a better person. We soon realize that we're pressuring our friends too hard, and the solution is to reflect on ourselves, to learn how to apologize to others, and to accept and admit that we're wrong. Judges, I used to be in this one class. It was amazing. And for me, the friends there are really, really perfect. I dare to say that. We connected instantly and we bond instantly. We used to practice a joke, annoy teachers, and just fix everything that we caused together. Sadly, that class comes to an end, and now my class will never be the same without them. But I soon realized that the power of friendship never leaves. The most powerful thing about friendship is that it will always be stuck somewhere in your brain. You will always remember the memories you spent with your friends. And even if we did part from each other, I hope that they will find better friends or make new ones. And in conclusion, I think God gave friendship as the most powerful gift in our lives, and that if God still gave us time, we have to use it and maybe just hang out with our friends even more. And As Spider-Man Miles Morales said, and when I feel alone, like no one gets me, I remember my friends who did. And that's all for my speech. I am Abiel, Briseis, Wattimena. Thank you for sticking around with my speech.